Global IP Trust presents the Astro Slide 5G Transformer. This is the Astro Slide 5G Transformer, the most powerful 5G smartphone and pocket computer hybrid in the world. It is designed and developed by Planet Computers, a leading pocket computing developer company based in the UK. The Astro Slide is the third project from Planet Computers. It is the first ever 5G handheld device that features a full physical keyboard. The keyboard is also backlit for easy use at dark environments. Along with that, it is also the fastest 5G smartphone ever announced. The Astro Slide features a state-of-the-art hinge design called RockUp. It is an in-house made slider hinge design that transforms the Astro Slide from a smartphone to a mini laptop. The smartphone features a large 6.53-inch touchscreen display that can easily accommodate multiple windows for multitasking. The screen provides a lot of real estate for all your needs. It runs on the latest Android version 10 and also has support for Linux OSs using a multi-boot option. It sports a 48-megapixel rear camera for high-res shots. Other impressive features of the Astro Slide includes NFC, Wi-Fi 6 support, a fingerprint scanner for security, and it comes with a minimum of 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage options. There is also a dedicated memory slot for easy expansion of storage. Additionally, it supports 2 nano SIM cards and 1 eSIM card for maximum connectivity. For more information on the Astro Slide, visit planetcom.co.uk. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more.